Welcome to all. Today I am going to discuss the topic in C++ programming language, inheritance concept. It is one of the most important feature of object-oriented programming. If you are using data members and member functions from one class to another class is called inheritance. The classes we are calling as subclasses or superclasses. Subclass is the class that inherit properties from another class is called subclass or derived class or child class. The class whose properties are inherited by subclass is called base class or superclass or parent class. Why we are using inheritance? For example, in our program, we have three classes. Those are bus, car and truck. All these three classes have the same functions: fuel amount, capacity and apply brakes. To overcome this problem, what's the problem here? Memory is wasted if you are using same functions in different classes. Okay? To overcome this problem, if I define three functions in one class, okay, then memory will not be wasted. Here I have taken one base class, the name is vehicle. Derived classes are bus, car and trunk. Whenever they want, they can acquire the properties, they can use the functions from base class. Okay, it is an advantage of inheritance. Modes of inheritance, three types: public mode, private mode and protected mode. If you derive a subclass from a base class, then the public member of the base class will become public in the derived class and a protected member of the base class will become protected in derived class. Coming to protected mode, if you derive a subclass from a protected base class, then both public member and protected member of the base class will become protected in derived class. Next one, private mode. If you derive a subclass from a private base class, then both public member and protected member of the base class will become private in derived class. These rules are very important in inheritance concept. Which class inherits the properties from another class? Is it superclass or subclass? I am repeating the question to you all. Which class inherits the properties from another class? Is it superclass or subclass? Answer: subclass. Subclass inherits the properties from superclass. And next topic, types of inheritance. We have 5 types of inheritance in C++ programming. First one, single inheritance. Second one, multiple inheritance. Third one, multi-level inheritance. Fourth one, hierarchical inheritance. And fifth one, hybrid inheritance. One by one I will explain you with pictorial diagrams. First one, single inheritance. Here we have only one base class and one derived class only. And next, multiple inheritance. If you have more than one base class, we call it as multiple inheritance. And multi-level inheritance, derived class is created from another derived class. Coming to class A and class B, here class A is the base class to class B and class B is the derived class to class C. In the condition class B and class A, class B behaves like a base class to class A and class A is the derived class to class B. Okay. And next type of inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. If you have more than one subclass, that is called hierarchical inheritance. Next one is hybrid inheritance. If you combine more than one type of inheritance is called a hybrid inheritance. Class F, class G and class E. Okay. What type of inheritance it is? More than one base class, that is multiple inheritance. Class B, Class A, Class C, more than one subclass is there, we call it as a hierarchical inheritance. Here we are combining multiple and hierarchical, we call it as is hybrid inheritance. Okay, and the second question, how many types of inheritance in C++ programming? Is it 4 or 3 or 5 or 2? I am repeating the question. How many types of inheritance in C++ programming? Is it 4 or 3 or 5 or 2? Okay, then the answer is 5, C. What are those types of inheritance, ma'am? Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Thank you.